Hi everyone, today we're gonna make cards. For this project, I'll be using red for the body. This is transparent. You can use white or blue for the windows. And for the bottom of the card, you can use gray or black. And I'm gonna use black for the tile. You also need 3D printing pen and tape. Now without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm gonna use this image for the template. Before we started it, because we're gonna use multiple times, so I'm gonna use the text on here. That way you won't tear up your image when you peel it out, so you can use it again. Now let's have some fun. First, we're gonna make the side of the card. After we're done, we're gonna repeat this step and make one more piece. After you're done, it looks like this. You have a two piece of side of the card. Now we're gonna make the bottom of the card. I'm gonna use this as template. So this will be the size of our card. So we're gonna make a mark here and do one more time depending on how wide you want your card to be. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. You can make it in any size you want. So I'm gonna make a mark on the other side. So now this will be the wide of your card, and just connect them together. And on this gap will be the tire. That's where our tire is gonna fit in here. And the same tire. And this will be the back of the card. So now this will be the bottom of our card, and don't worry if it's not perfect because we can always fix it later. Today I'm going to use gray. You can use other colors for the bottom of the card. Before we make its top, I'm gonna make the wheel first. So we're gonna need 4 of them. After we're done of making the wheel, we're gonna take one of the plastic. You can use any color you want. And measure it. Make sure that's the length that you want it. Cut off 2 pieces. Now we're gonna glue the tire on one end. And repeat this step and make one more piece. Next, we're gonna use the wire. This wire you can get it from art store at jewelry departments, or you can probably find it in your garage. Just a regular wire, and then use tape, rub around it. Now use process, go all the way around. By doing this, we will create a hole in the center of this piece. This is for the front part of the car, so after we finish making it, we want to bend a little curve so that will look more realistic instead of straight, just like a box. Depending on the size of your car, you can just eyeball it and make sure you fit your car. Next, use the same technique and make another piece for the top of the car. Next, we're gonna use clear color to make windows. Now we have finished our little mini cards. Now you can use this technique to make any other card that you like. You just need to add some more details on it, and it could be Lightning McQueens. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestion for my next video, leave a comment down below and let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!